My name is Taylor Chambers and I'm a junior at Henderson County High School and I'm in the FFA year. So we all, a bunch of us volunteered one day to come in and move everything out of the ag shop so we were able to do new floors and paint. We actually put in a lot of new things, so we redid the floors and did the paint, so it looks a lot nicer now. We have a projector in there, so we're able to teach even out there with a bigger area. We have a dog washing and grooming station to where the community can bring in their animals and we can teach them and show them how we do that. We have an area where we can incubate eggs and hatch them. We do chickens, turkeys, things like that. And then we have a spot where we can dissect things and just do some experiments like that. It actually means a lot to everybody in FFA. Since we've done it, we've been able to have a lot more hands-on activities. So people are really enjoying not just sitting in class and taking notes, but really going out there and actually experiencing everything hands-on. There's a lot of different departments in there that we get to do things with, and it actually is really nice for the community as well because we can bring community members in, show them what we've done, and it's very good overall. So FFA means a lot to me ever since I've been in it since freshman year. And it's not just farmers, it's just a lot more than that. You learn so much here and we're like a big family. The hands-on stuff is definitely a big part that everybody enjoys. We do a lot for the community, so we get our name out there and we learn a lot, but we have fun while doing it.